Everyone feels sad at times. It's part of being human. But the truth is, sadness doesn't have to keep you stuck. Happiness is always within reach. And with the right mindset and actions, you can lift yourself up, even on the toughest days. In this video, we'll explore simple, powerful ways to manage sadness, find comfort, and bring joy back into your life. Whether it's through self-reflection, fun activities, or connecting with others, these strategies will help you move forward with hope and positivity. Let's dive in. Finding happiness within. Write down your feelings in a journal to better understand and process your sadness. Journaling helps organize thoughts, track patterns, and reduce stress, while also giving you clarity and emotional release. Laugh and smile to boost your mood. Even faking it can release endorphins and make you feel happier. Watch a funny movie, read something humorous, or spend time with a friend who makes you laugh. Have a good cry when you need to. Letting out tears can release stress hormones and help you feel relieved and lighter. If crying feels uncontrollable, consider seeking professional support. Look at the bigger picture and focus on what you value: family, friends, health, or good memories. Practice gratitude, find small joys each day, and remember that tough moments won't last forever. Distract your mind with positive activities to ease sadness. Listen to uplifting music, look through happy photos, or dive into something enjoyable that helps you forget time and place. Read to escape and relax your mind. Getting lost in a good book, whether fiction or romance, can shift your focus and greatly reduce stress. Assessing your sadness. Understand sadness as a normal, temporary emotion often triggered by loss, conflict, or change. It's part of grief and can affect your sleep, focus, and appetite, but it's a natural part of life. Know the difference between sadness and depression. Sadness is usually temporary and linked to an external cause, while depression is long-lasting, more severe, and often without a clear reason. Depression can affect sleep, appetite, energy, and the ability to feel joy or hope. If your sadness feels overwhelming or constant, seek help from a mental health professional. Reflect on your emotions to understand the cause of your sadness, whether it's a breakup, loss, or another life event. Recognizing the source helps you cope and move forward. For major losses or trauma, seeking support from a mental health professional can be very helpful. Doing fun activities. Exercise to boost your mood. Whether it's a walk, sport, or even light activity, moving your body releases endorphins that reduce stress and make you feel happier. Eat a healthy carb-rich snack like toast with jam or popcorn to boost serotonin and improve your mood. Avoid high-protein foods, which can block this effect. Do something spontaneous to break out of routine and lift your mood. Visit a friend, explore a new place, or even switch up small daily habits to bring fresh energy into your day. Participate in a hobby to channel your emotions and relax. Do something you enjoy like painting, writing, or yoga to find peace and cope better with sadness, while maybe even discovering something new. Take a shower or bath to refresh your mood. A cold shower can boost circulation, reduce stress, and release endorphins, while a warm bath with Epsom salts can ease tension and help you relax. And being social. Talk to a friend for support and comfort. Sharing your feelings helps you process emotions, gain perspective, and feel less alone, and often leads to smiles and laughter that can lift your mood. Go out and socialize to lift your mood. Spending time with friends, family, or even casual interactions can distract you and ease sadness. Keep it low-key if big outings feel overwhelming. Spend time with your pet to feel better. Cuddling or playing with animals boosts endorphins, provides comfort, and helps ease sadness since pets often sense and respond to your mood. Focus on others to lift your mood. Volunteering, helping a neighbor, or even small acts of kindness can give you purpose, boost your well-being, and make you feel better about yourself. Thanks for watching.